Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 27, 2024, and we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Apple technology, software, and devices. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple is gearing up to make a significant leap in its Mac lineup by setting 16 gigabytes of RAM as the new standard for its upcoming M4 chip models. This is a notable upgrade from the 8GB base found in the M3 models. The M4 chip, designed to enhance performance, especially for AI features, will be featured in 4 new Mac models currently being tested. These models will support either 16GB or 32GB of RAM, with the launch expected in October. The M4 chip's introduction is anticipated to address user criticisms regarding the 8GB RAM's inadequacy for professional workflows. Historically, Apple has maintained an 8GB base since 2012, leading to user frustration over additional costs for more RAM. The shift to 16GB aligns with Apple's new AI features, although details remain under wraps. In other news, Apple's HealthKit API has come under fire from developers. One developer shared their challenging experience with the API while creating a workout tracking app for the Apple Watch. They criticized the API's complexity and poor documentation, comparing it unfavorably to simpler alternatives like YouTube Player Kit. The developer calls for Apple to streamline the API to improve the developer experience. A major leadership change is on the horizon at Apple, with CFO Luca Maestri set to step down on January 1, 2025. Kevin Parekh, currently VP of Financial Planning and Analysis, will succeed him. Under Maestri's tenure, Apple's stock and sales saw significant growth. Parekh's promotion reflects a broader trend of financial leadership transitions in the tech industry. Apple is also set to introduce Apple Intelligence, a suite of AI features for iPhones, in partnership with OpenAI. These features, debuting with iOS 18.1, will enhance user experience with tools like advanced writing aids and phone call transcription. Apple emphasizes privacy, stating that data processing will primarily occur on devices. Mark your calendars for September 9th, when Apple will host a press event at its Cupertino headquarters. The event, titled It's Glow Time, is expected to unveil new iPhone and Apple Watch models. Analysts speculate on design changes for the iPhone 16 series, including larger screens and new color options. The event will also reveal the release date for iOS 18, featuring new AI capabilities. In a unique project, Maury Coleman rendered the Bad Apple music video within a Finder window on macOS. This creative endeavor involved converting images to ASCII art and overcoming technical challenges to synchronize the video with music. Coleman's project showcases an innovative blend of art and technology. Lastly, a new app called Splitright aims to simplify shared expense management. With an intuitive interface, it allows users to track and settle costs among friends or roommates. The app supports multiple currencies and prioritizes user privacy, making it a handy tool for various social situations. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you enjoyed these insights into the latest developments in the Apple ecosystem. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more Apple news and updates.